There is a very specific, undeniably sharp, electric jolt that happens when an ice-cold drink hits your teeth. Most of us just wince, wait for the throb to pass, and assume it's an inevitable part of getting older. We live with this recurring discomfort for years, never knowing exactly what triggers it. That sharp shock represents a specific, highly localized mechanical failure. Understanding the hidden mechanics beneath your gum line transforms this unpredictable mystery into a highly manageable condition. Beneath the tooth's protective enamel lies porous dentin, packed with microscopic, fluid-filled channels called tubules. When enamel wears away, cold water hits the exposed surface, causing the fluid to rapidly shift. This sudden movement crashes into delicate nerve endings, firing a sharp pain signal. Having sensitive teeth simply means you have structurally exposed nerve pathways. The pain is a direct mechanical warning system telling you your natural defenses are down. This demographic chart shows exactly how common this exposure is. 1 in 8 adults experiences the sensitivity, with the highest concentration clustered right here, between the ages of 25 and 45. Aggressive physical wear and tear frequently drives this sensitivity. Scrubbing with a hard-bristled brush physically strips away the enamel and forces the gum line to recede, leaving the vulnerable root exposed. Diets heavy in citrus, sodas, and coffee create a persistent acidic environment that slowly dissolves the tooth's outer protective layer. Our daily dietary and hygiene habits are actively dismantling our teeth's natural armor. Stopping the pain requires taking a hard look at your daily routine. Before you attempt to treat the problem, you need to run a quick home self-check to isolate your symptoms and rule out serious disease. True dentin hypersensitivity follows a strict pattern. The pain is sharp, it fades almost immediately, it spans across multiple teeth, and it is strictly triggered by hot, cold, or sugary inputs. A cavity feels entirely different. Cavity pain typically throbs persistently long after you finish eating, and it isolates itself to one specific tooth. A cracked tooth also has a distinct signature. It produces a sharp pain specifically when you bite down or release pressure, independent of the temperature in your mouth. If you feel a dull, constant ache accompanied by bleeding gums when you brush, you are likely looking at gum disease. You can also check the mirror for evidence. This medical illustration demonstrates the physical impact of acid erosion and nighttime teeth grinding. The chewing surfaces are flattened out, and the bottom edges of the teeth become thin and highly translucent. If your symptoms match that fast, temperature-triggered, widespread profile, you've successfully diagnosed dentin hypersensitivity. You are cleared to start the at-home repair protocol. The primary intervention relies on a specific chemical compound, potassium nitrate. When you use a sensitivity toothpaste, this active ingredient enters those open dentin channels and physically stacks up, forming a barricade over the exposed nerve endings. But a vast majority of people sabotage this process right at the finish line. Rinsing your mouth with water immediately after brushing instantly washes the medication down the drain before it can work. The correct protocol is to brush, spit out the excess, and then leave the remaining residue right where it is. That allows the compound to soak into the dentin and crystallize, plugging the holes. To support those barricades, you need a few preventative habits. Switch to a soft bristled brush. Wait at least 30 minutes after eating acidic foods before you brush, giving your enamel time to reharden, and add a separate fluoride mouthwash to your nighttime routine. This process takes time. You need 4 to 6 weeks of strict daily chemical consistency to fully rebuild those microscopic blockades and shut off the pain signals. There are, however, strict limits to what you can treat in your own bathroom. You need to watch for a few specific warning signs. If your pain lingers for more than 30 seconds after the cold water is gone, or if you notice visible swelling and a deep throbbing sensation, you demand professional attention. Sudden, intense agony localized to a single tooth, or pain that flares up immediately after getting a filling, points to an acute mechanical failure. Toothpaste cannot fix structural damage. Dentin hypersensitivity is a manageable mechanical exposure. You now have the exact protocol required to start sealing those pathways tonight.
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos that decode your body's signals. Comment below. What did yours turn out to be?